Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing some knotless braid. I'm going to try. I'm not good at that. It's been a while since I did my hair using extensions or braids as you can call them, and today I felt like let me add a bit of color which can complement my skin as well, since I'm black, I'm melanated to perfection. So in today's video I'm gonna be making some lash hair. These braids I got them in color number 900, and then I'm gonna be making a ratting comb, some molding wax, some hair oil. This is a DIY hair oil, and maybe in the future I'm gonna be showing you how I made my own hair oil. Then I have my rose water and glycerin in this bottle because Fossy hair needs moisture, and if you don't moisturize your hair, you're just going to damage it more. So I'm gonna be needing the water as well, and then some scissors maybe for the end of the video. And now I'm going to start doing my hair, and maybe I might talk through the video, or I might not, so I don't know. We will catch up when I'm done doing my hair, and yeah, that's it for now. Hey, so I'm done doing my hair and I kind of feel so good. At least I won't have to deal with my natural hair for a while, but yeah, I love the color. I'm a redhead right now and yeah, it's so nice. And yeah, so guys, tell me if you love the video and what you want to see on my next one. And yeah, I feel so good that I did it, and oh my god, I'm so sweaty. I'm so sweating right now. The room is so hot. I think it's because of the ring light and I've not opened the windows, but yeah, it's fine. It's fine with me. As long as I'm done with the hair, I will deal with the rest of the mess later. And the last thing that I will be doing, you can dip your hair in water if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to oil my scalp and style my hair, and yeah, that's it. You can style this hair many different ways. This is all you guys got, and yeah, this is the end of the video. I am signing out, and if you loved what you see, please like the video, share with a friend or two, and leave a positive comment in the comment section below, and see you in my next video. Bye.